Picture this, a radiant crystal lamb, a true embodiment of elegance and grace, standing as a timeless symbol of beauty and purity. The crystal lamb is not just a mere figurine, it's a work of art, a testament to the exquisite craftsmanship that goes into creating such a mesmerizing piece. Crafted from the finest crystal, the lamb sparkles with a clarity that captures and reflects light in a dance of brilliance. Its surface is smooth to the touch, a testament to the precision and skill of the artisans who carefully shape and polish each facet. The lamb's form is delicate yet sturdy, embodying a perfect balance that adds to its allure. The crystal lamb is more than just a decorative piece, it's a symbol that resonates with different meanings across cultures. In many traditions, the lamb represents innocence and purity. Its gentle presence invokes a sense of serenity, making it a perfect addition to any space where tranquility is sought. Placing this crystal lamb on a tabletop or shelf instantly transforms the atmosphere, infusing the room with a sense of calm and sophistication. As the light catches the crystal lamb, refracting through its pristine surface, it creates a play of rainbows that dance around the room. It's as if the lamb carries a piece of the ethereal within its form, a subtle reminder of the beauty that exists in simplicity. This interplay of light and crystal elevates the lamb from a mere object to a living sculpture that captivates the beholder. The crystal lamb also serves as a unique and thoughtful gift. Whether given to commemorate a special occasion, symbolize a new beginning, or simply to express love and appreciation, the lamb's universal symbolism makes it a meaningful and cherished present. Imagine the delight on someone's face as they unwrap a carefully crafted crystal lamb, a symbol of purity and heartfelt sentiments. Beyond its symbolic significance, the crystal lamb fits seamlessly into various decor styles. Its timeless design makes it a versatile addition to both contemporary and classic settings. Whether adorning a modern living room or gracing a traditional mantelpiece, the lamb's crystal radiance complements its surroundings, becoming a focal point that draws the eye and sparks conversation. The crystal lamb also holds a certain mystique. Its translucent quality invites contemplation, encouraging those who gaze upon it to reflect on the beauty of simplicity and the purity of form. It becomes a meditation in art, a source of inspiration that transcends the material and connects with something deeper within us. Moreover, the crystal lamb is a testament to the intersection of nature and artistry. The lamb's form, inspired by the gentle creatures that roam pastoral landscapes, brings a touch of the natural world into our homes. The crystal, transformed into the likeness of a lamb, bridges the gap between the raw beauty of nature and the refined skill of human craftsmanship. In practical terms, the crystal lamb requires minimal maintenance. A gentle wipe with a soft cloth is all it takes to restore its luster, ensuring that it remains a radiant centerpiece in your space for years to come. Its durability and timeless appeal make it a lasting investment, a piece that can be passed down through generations, carrying with it the stories and memories of those who have admired its beauty. Be sure to hit the like and the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. In essence, the crystal lamb transcends the boundaries of a mere decorative item. It becomes a symbol of purity, a source of tranquility, and a work of art that speaks to the soul. Its presence in any space transforms it into a sanctuary of elegance and grace, where the beauty of the crystal lamb becomes a daily reminder of the sublime in the midst of our hectic lives.